Well, hello everyone. I know we cooked that joint yesterday. It was great. I can't fault it. So today we're going to cook the other piece of joint. Now what we're going to do, sorry I've just fetched some paper towel. What we're going to do is do this one in the tray. Now we'll see what happens and then we'll all be happy when we know, won't we? So let's just see how heavy this one is. Let me just show you. Can we see that? Oh, I didn't make a very good job of cutting that in half yesterday. I'm sure the other one was 750 grams. Look, this one is, it looks like about 550, so it's a little bit lighter. I think what we'll do, we'll still cook it for the same length of time, although it is slightly smaller, not a massive amount. We'll do that and see how we get on. But what we are going to do, I'm going to pat that dry. That's it. And I'll just mention once again that Wendy, oh sorry, ringing the bell, look. As I said before, Wendy's not keen on pepper, although I am, and I've been advised not to add salt, so we'll just keep that as it is. And I think, actually, I just spray a little bit of oil on there. I think we will. I don't know whether we're right. Let's try it. As I say, we'll pop that in and see how we get on. Before I do anything though, we will preheat. Hopefully. There we go. There we go. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute. Right, we've preheated the oven. That's ready to go in. Not preheated the silicon basket, which is a bit of a mistake, isn't it? I've just realised that. So let's just pop that in. Now what we're going to do, before we do that, I just want to mention, I actually did mention yesterday that one of the subscribers has been, well, a few subscribers told me, you know, our temperature gauge wasn't up to the job really. It was rubbish. It's too slow and all. We've had it a long time. Anyway, I was advised to get this type. This was from Phil. He's helped me with this. He's been very helpful. But as I say, a few people have and said, you know, this is the way to go. So we'll have this to put in the meat today. Now, they say it turned up yesterday a little bit too late for the other piece of meat. So we'll be using that today, so I'm happy with that. And the other thing, let's just put that down. The other thing I wanted to mention was we had the toad in the hole, didn't we? Because I forgot, didn't I, to buy any Yorkshire puddings, and we had that toad in the hole. Well, we had a discussion about that, and we made a little video, and it didn't work properly. I lost the file, but the top and bottom of it was, me and Wendy were discussing it, and yeah, we didn't enjoy that. I mean, come on, it were £1. It had 4 sausages in it, but to us, it weren't very good at all. I mean, I suppose if you're starving and you've got £1, it might be nice. I don't think we did anything wrong, I'm not sure, but no. I'll put the picture up of exactly what it is, because if you've not seen that, you'll wonder what I'm talking about. But I thought I'd better just mention that, so we won't be buying that one again. I've still not got any Yorkshire pudding, so we'll see how we go. But anyway, now I'll just put the air fryer on. I'm sorry if it's a bit noisy in the background. Wendy's talking to her brother on the phone. My God, it must be a megaphone. Anyway, here we go. So what we're going to do now, we have 200. I can hear her, my God. Come on, Wendy. Hey, brothers and sisters, they're not arguing, they're just laughing. That's all they ever do, mess about. I'll tell you what, it's great really. I'm not even complaining. Right, now that's set up on 200 for 50 minutes, and I'll have a look at it in a while, see how we're going, and I'll bring you back. Right, what we've decided, rather Wendy has, look, we're going to have sweet potato today. It's still a little bit damp now. Trying to dry them off a little bit. Still water coming off, look. We like sweet potato done in there. We've had it a few times, but we like it quite well done. Now we've had, I put 50 minutes on, we've got 32 left, so what's that? God blimey. We've had about 18 minutes, haven't we? So I think what I'll do now, we've got 32 minutes left, I'll actually turn it over now. I think it'll be fine. I'll tell you what, we'll have a look what it looks like, shall we? Let's just have a look. Well, wow, that spat at me then. That was hot as well. I'll tell you what, I think that's doing all right actually. Oh, we've got a bit of spit in there. Let's turn it over. And we'll put these around it now. I did say to her we won't get too many in, but she said I've got to use the bag up, haven't I? Let's where did I put my spray? I showed you this before, but I think I didn't get it in the shot. Look, I think this is the stuff you're supposed to use, isn't it? It's supposed to be good for you, eh? After all these years, it's going to be good to us. Right, so what we'll do, we'll stick that back in now. I'll probably have to take him out at some point and give him a shake. Let's see how that goes. Right, I thought this might be a good chance to try this machine. As you see, it's on 22 degrees at the minute, so it's nice and warm in here. Can you see that? If I put it there, let's just have a look where we are. I think you can see that. Right, let's just see it. We've got 11 minutes to go, Rafa. We'll just try it. Oh, that seems to be cooking really well. How are we doing on there? Is it reading? Oh yeah, 60. It's only on 62, look. Yeah. Let's try somewhere else. I think that's in a bit better. Oh yeah, look, I've got that in a little bit better. And that's reached 71 at the minute, down to 70. But as I say, I'm happy with that. We've got a little bit of time to go yet. If I can get it back out. Yeah, don't touch that end, Graham. Not again. Right, now in theory, this thermometer can actually go in while it's inside. I mean, as I say, I'm a bit worried about damaging the wire, but I think we should try it. So what we'll do, if we put it in that way, easier said than done, Graham. Now that's gone a fair way into the mitt. Now I'm hoping I can shut that now. Well, it seems to have worked. And well, I'm sure you can see it when it's over there, but if you see, look, it's on 68 degrees. It's very fast reading. It's not instant, but it ain't far off. That's anyway, it's at 68 degrees. That's got to go up a little higher, yeah. So yeah, it may need a bit longer, I think, this time than before, but we will let it go its full time, and see how we feel then. I'll put that back over there. Now, see that? I think you can. Yeah, you can see that. We've got the vegetables on now. Wendy's got them ready. So, yeah, just carry on for a little while and I'll bring you back. Well, I've just brought you back for a minute now because I know it's a little noisy in here now. We've got things steaming over there. There's a kettle going behind us for a cup of tea, and we've got the air fryer running. So I hope you can hear me all right. That's why I've just stood here. But the reason I've switched it on, as you can see, that's gone up. The temperature's gone up. It's now on 71 degrees, look. So, yeah. Oh, look, 72. So I reckon at this rate, by the time we finish the time, it's not going to be far off. Yeah, anyway, I thought I'd just show you that. Yeah, I've just realised on this thermometer, it's a lot cleverer than me, I'll tell you. It's got the settings at the bottom, and you can actually, I know this is not a review, is it? It's just me fooling about, look. But if you press that, you see, look, that's for chicken. And there's pig. Now it's saying on there that pig should be 85. Oh, I don't think we're going to make 85. I think we'll have to leave it on a little while longer. Right, now I imagine you can still see the temperature on the thermometer. Also, by me, well, that looks like a chicken there, not a pig. What's happened there? I've gone on the wrong setting. Oh, I think I've done this wrong. Oh dear. Oh, that's right. Oh. Yeah, I've got to apologise. I didn't realise this is new to me as well. I'd actually got it still on the chicken. I thought I'd put it on the pig. Now the pig has to be set. It's finished. Oh my God! Look at this. This is pretty good. I'm quite impressed with this. Now what happens? I know it's buzzing away like crazy. You set it on the pig, look, and the given temperature for a pig is actually 77. Now when it reaches 77, the alarm sets. Unfortunately, when I was showing you, it was actually about on 77, so it went off. I'm reading 78 now. Now, we actually know that temperature is good enough. So that's, I mean, look now, 79. I mean, that is telling us that's cooked. So, well, I think I'm happy with this thermometer. I think that's worked out pretty well. Yeah, so I better turn it off or it drives us all crazy. If I leave that on much longer, we're going to be bashing his head on the wall, aren't we? Anyway, at the same time, I want to apologise for mentioning Alexa yesterday. Apparently I'm switching everybody's Alexa on. Oh dear, now I've said it. Oh dear, I tried to apologise, you can only do your best. Well, it's going out, look, I'm going to have to go and turn that off, it's driving me mad. Anyway, I think that's been a success. Perhaps I should get the meat out while you're looking. Wendy's nicked me mat. Yeah, she's not had that on. I use this so I thought about scratching the cooker. I don't think Wendy's worried, but it's me that buys the cooker, isn't it, if you know what I mean? Right, how far can we... Oh, I can pull that out easy. I think we should put it somewhere else as well, shouldn't we, while we're at it. There's the meat and the sweet potatoes. Everything looks okay to me. Oh, this mitt, it is big and clumsy. What do you do, mate? There we go. Right, let's just switch this on and see what temperature it says. I actually turned it off, didn't I? That bit's measuring 74 there now. 75. You see, I've not set that now because I've turned it off, look. So what we have to do is go along to the pig, which is 77, and we're at 75. To be fair though, I have taken it out. Let's try again. It could be I've not got to get this so it's yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, look, I've not got it in the right position really. You can hear that buzzing away. You maybe can't see it. Let me pick it up. Yeah, look. Oh, it's almost instantaneous. That's fantastic. Oh dear. I'm too happy with this, aren't I? You can tell, can't you? Let's turn it off. Well, that's got to be better for all of us. It really has, hasn't it? It really has. Yeah, that's really good. And the meat, it looks great again. So I think that's been a success both ways actually. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I can give you the cost as well. I'm not sure whether we can actually see that. Let's have a go. Can we see the cost? Are we on the cost? Oh, it's a little awkward to see, isn't it? Ah, it looks like it's cost us about 30p. No, it was 25p yesterday. But tonight, it's running at 29p there, look. So, oh, we're not going to quibble about 4p, are we, mate? I mean, you know, I did warm it up. Maybe I did it slightly different. I don't know. But anyway, a good result. So, yeah, let's show you, look. I mean, you may think them sweet potatoes are a little bit burnt. I mean, fair enough, but we do like it like that. And we've got, what we got in here, look. Oh, look, cabbage, cauliflower, carrots, oh dear. And Wendy's done all that again. Anyway, that's about it for now. Well, the dinner was fantastic. I've noticed I've cleaned this. Am I not doing this well, or is that discolouring already? I'm not sure about that. It could actually be me. Yeah, yeah, it could be me, this could. Well, I did my best. I was trying to be quick and I shouldn't be. I should have left it in soak longer. Right, so that's clean. What's this like in here? There's a couple of bits fell in there. Look, nothing. I'll just shake that out and then that's all right. That's spotlessly clean. Yeah, I've cleaned that. I don't know what to say. The dinner was fantastic again, as we told you. I really enjoyed that. I can't eat another one tomorrow. Come on, let's have something a bit easier. Yeah, that was really lovely. The only thing that I think, it cost 29 pence, and yesterday it cost 25 pence. Now it's 4 pence more. Is that just timings, or is it a case of, you know, with the thickness of this? I don't know, because the Casora heats from the top, but to be fair, it can't get around the side. So who knows? It could be this is 4 pence more. 4 pence. We don't get a lot for 4 pence in this country, do we? No, I can't think of anything. The only other thing is, if this deteriorates through use, that is £10. If this deteriorates through use, this are over £100. You know, take your choice, but I'm not sure what the answer is. Maybe it's a mixture of both. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's enough waffling. That's all for now.